from justtoday.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make
simple syrup, because it's really simple.
With that being said, let's just hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? First, low to medium heat. Go ahead and grab your container, put in your water, and let it go to rolling boil, and then add your sugar. Now when it comes to adding sugar, it's 1-to-1 ratio, meaning you have 1 cup of water, means you want to put in 1 cup of sugar. Let it boil, and then turn off the heat and put it in a glass container to let it cool. Again, don't let it splash onto anyone's skin, because sugar water, when it's really hot, can damage some skin. Real quick, definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could be an eater too, and definitely share out this recipe because it's so easy they can make it too. As you let it cool, go ahead and use a funnel for you to put in your simple syrup in the container of your choice. Now, I'm using a plastic bottle since that's why I'm letting it cool in a glass container first. Put a lid on it, and that's how you make simple syrup. Now, I like to use simple syrup in my coffees and in my cocktails, like this mango margarita. Check out that video if you're curious to see how I put the simple syrup in my margarita and or other drink recipes. The link is in the description down below or in the iCard in the corner of the screen. Alright, my eaters, hopefully you enjoyed this quick, easy,
simple syrup
recipe. It was so easy. I told you, I wasn't lying.
I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. I'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video.
I'll see you in the next one.